If you can write, you can draw.
Welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a unicorn using the letter V, U, S, O, lowercase l. Let's begin. Start with a U, like that. And then the letter O, another O inside. And we're going to color like this. And that's the I. Two little O's right here. And then the letter U for the mouse. And then the letter S is going to be right here. You see that? And then another S, like this. And then another S, like that. And here, we are going to make a little eraser, make a little space for the, guess what? The letter V that is going to be extended like that. And we're going to add the letter U. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a unicorn. The letter U right here. The letter O inside, which is the ear. And let's draw the letter S. It's going to go. Actually, it's more like W or something. The letter S. Let's go. Like that. Another S. And then another S. Like so. Let's do one more. Yeah, why not? Now, from here, we're going to draw the letter U. Like this way. And then lowercase l. 1, 2. Let's connect the dots here. Like so. And then another U, but this way. In this shape. And then lowercase l. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. You like that sound? Boop, boop. And then it's going to be kind of like the lowercase l, but a little bit curved. And then another lowercase l, two of them. Let's connect the dots here. And let's draw it one more time here. The same left, but this one is on the other side. From here, we are going to draw the letter U, but a little bit more like this. You see that? And then another one right here. And this is for the wing area. Now, the letter U one more time. But this time we're gonna go boop, 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 boop. And one more time. Boop. Slightly bigger. Boop. So the unicorn can fly now. The letter U for the the butt area. And then the letter S. Let's do it here. S. One more S. One more S. And one more. And let's connect the dot with the lowercase l. And we have our unicorn. And let's make him or her with the letter U, but upside down. You see how I'm doing? I'm making a little gap on purpose because we can't add the letter V here, multiple V's. So he's maybe standing on a grassland. Alright, let's begin the shading process. The coloring process. And the way we're gonna color this is by using colorful colors, yet at the same time, we don't wanna go too wild. So we want to choose maybe 3 to 5 different colors. And you can just let your imagination take you where it needs to go when it comes to coloring. Because I wanna see a real unicorn. Well, that's what I think. What do you think? Have you ever seen a real unicorn? Maybe. Who knows, right? The world is a big place full of mystery, wonder, and amazing things and creatures that maybe are yet to be discovered and yet to be traveled. So on the coloring part, this is the part when you let your mind kind of wander, go to different places. And you take a little break, you know? Even though you're drawing, you can take a break from drawing. Did you know that? You're doing the coloring especially. It's almost like you have time to think about. It's almost like meditation. At least for me. Gives me time to... No. I'm going to add a highlight color. A little red, you know? Why red? Red is my favorite color actually, so just a little highlight right there. Right there too. Why not? Last but not least, the grass beneath his feet. Sorry, got a little carried away. Put it up here. Opacity lower. Set to multiply. And it's a little darker than I thought. No problem, you can drop the opacity. More than anything, I wanted to place a shadow here, so it looks like he's standing here. And maybe a little shadow on the leg on the back, so we know that he's coming from behind. Other than that, although we can continue to render this drawing forever, I'm gonna stop here and I'm going to prove without a shadow of doubt that we have used these letters to create the unicorn. V. V. V, 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 you get the idea. V, 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 V. Now, U for you, 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 you. The letter S. Oh, and then the letter S was used for all this area. The letter O was used and the lowercase L lowercase L was used mostly to connect the dots, you know? So and so. What am I missing? Oh, I'm missing the and then the green. Boop, boop. And then the S. Oh, and I noticed that the letter U was also used here. No? See that? Therefore, we can say without a shadow of doubt that if you can write, you can draw. Oh, and what is it, Mr. Unicorn? You want to tell us something too? I know what it is, but but I'm going to write it anyways. You guys know what the unicorn is going to say? If you can write, you can. What is it, guys? I ran out of air. Hamza.